Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, May the 26th, 2021. The third puzzle, we have two puzzles left. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle, yes, and this will be number 2850. Wow, 2850. Before I start, let me see what kind of binary puzzle is this one. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O. So we double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Then, let me see. Which number shall I pick? The 1 or the O? Haha. Yeah. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Do I need to compare? Well. This look almost the same, this one. But I need the 1 number. Can put the 1 here, can put the 1 there. I cannot put the 1 there here. Look, with a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I can put the 1 here, or there. If I put the 1 here, then I have the same column. So it cannot be here. I cannot place the 1 here. So this should be an O. Alright. So double O here, 1 there, 1. Then. Yeah. It's taking too long. Well. Yeah. 2 numbers. Yeah. Double 1 here. This is almost the same, this one. Yeah. Let me compare. 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Yes. Now we have double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there, one. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in the last row. So the rest are O's. Need to compare. No. Ooh. 101. 10. Aha. Yes, the first and the fourth row. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. All right, 1 2 3 4 O. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Completed in 6 minutes. All right. Great binary. I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the fourth and last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4 stars. So prepare for this one. And yeah, see you then. Bye bye for now.